Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Did you know that besides being part of delicious recipes, potatoes are also the main ingredient in many natural beauty treatments? In today's video, we will show you some natural recipes that treat common skin problems and have the potato as the main ingredient. 1. Dark circles around the eyes. The appearance of dark circles doesn't signal a serious problem, but makes the person to look older, worn out, or sick. Potatoes can help this issue. Cut 2 thin slices of potato and place one on each eye. The slices should cover the entire dark region around the eyes. Leave the potatoes on for 20 minutes. After that, remove them and rinse your skin with plenty of warm water. Another tip is to wet a cotton swab with potato juice and then apply it on the skin. 2. Wrinkles. Wrinkles are lines and depressions that form on the skin and are the main sign of aging skin. To treat them, all you need is a mixture of 2 medium-sized potatoes with half a glass of water. To do this, wash the potatoes well, peel them, and cut them into small pieces. Then place them in the blender. When you mix all the ingredients, spread the paste on your face and let it sit for a few minutes. 3. Dark spots. Dark spots that appear on the face, hands, arms, or other parts of the body can be caused by factors such as overexposure to the sun, hormonal changes, acne, or sores. You improve your appearance by creating a paste with potatoes. Peel a potato and put it in the blender until it forms a paste. Once that's done, apply the product to the face with circular massaging motion and let it act for 10 minutes. Then wash it off with cold water. Repeat for several days and the stains will begin to fade. 4. Acne. If you have acne, you've probably already heard several tips on how to get rid of it. Usually acne arises for 3 reasons: clogged pores of the skin, excess oiliness, and bacterial buildup. Raw potatoes are rich in vitamin C, potassium, copper, and sulfur, which are ideal elements to cleanse the skin, eliminate toxins, and reduce acne and pimples. The first thing to do is wash your face thoroughly to remove oil or makeup. Apply a 3 cm slice of raw potato, performing a circular massage all over the face. Let it act overnight, rinsing the face well the next day. 5. Sunburns. Sunburns are very painful and we don't always have access to appropriate products for immediate relief. An excellent home remedy for light burns is the potato because it's rich in vitamin C, which facilitates the healing of the burn while decreasing irritation and the burning sensation. Apply cold potato slices to the affected areas. In a few minutes, you should notice a relief. 6. Improve the appearance of skin. The day-to-day running, the lack of sleep, and the stress erase the brightness of our face, often leaving us with an older appearance. Sleeping well, following a healthy diet, and drinking plenty of water are key factors in improving the appearance of the skin. Also, try this raw potato recipe. Ingredients: the pulp of 1 small potato, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 10 milliliters. Instructions: first, finely grate the raw potato pulp. In a bowl, add the grated potato and combine it with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix everything well. Apply this only at night because if the lemon comes in contact with the sun, it can cause stains on your skin. Use a cotton ball to apply the product to the face as if it were a mask. Let it stand for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash with warm water. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.